focus is adjusted, the protective cover will touch the leaves. We need to remove the protective cover. Unplug the air pipe and module power cord, loosen the handle screw, slide upward to remove the laser. Remove these 4 screws with a screwdriver. Remove the protective cover and rotate counterclockwise to remove the air nozzle. Install the laser module and tighten the handle screws. Connect the air pump tube. This step can be omitted if no air pump. Plug in the power cord of the module. Note that the interface has an anti-misplugging design. Place dry leaves and press down on both ends of the leaves to prevent displacement or warping during the carving process. Rotate the focusing pin of the laser head protective cover vertically downward to press against the bottom of the laser. Loosen the handle screw, and when the focus needle touches the leaves, tighten the handle screw to complete the focus. Plug one end of the data cable into the computer and the other end into the machine interface. Plug in the power cord, turn on the emergency stop switch, and turn on the machine. In the software, click Settings in the upper right corner, scroll down to the bottom and find the $180 item, change 1 to 0. This means turning off the protective cover function. Click Settings. Open the WLAN settings and find the Wi-Fi Wainlux _X1. Enter the default password 12345678 and click Connect. Open the software, click Connection, and 192.168.0.1 will appear by default. If not, enter it. Click Connect. Click Back, click Start Your Creation and click on the image icon. Load a photo, drag the border to crop the image, and then click Confirm. Click Next, click Mode and select Grayscale, click Image Transform. Click Negative Mirror, and click Next. First enter an approximate blade width, click Preview, and observe the path of the laser's luminous rectangle. The image will be scaled proportionally to the height value. After multiple adjustments to the X and Y values, the carving position has been correctly positioned. Click on Parameters. Here are the 10W power engraving parameters. Set the speed to 7000, time to 1, power to 68, spacing to 0.1, overscan 1. Click Engrave and wait for the upload to complete before the machine starts engraving.